China, a land of vast landscapes and ancient history, holds hidden wonders. Join us as we venture off the beaten path to discover unseen beauty. Prepare to be captivated by picturesque towns, breathtaking scenery, and rich culture. From Yunnan's mountains to Jiangsu's canals, uncover hidden gems, each location a testament to Chinese ingenuity and resilience. Our journey takes us to trading posts, water towns, and temples. Let us begin our exploration and be enchanted by unseen wonders. Nestled in the heart of Hunan province, amidst a landscape of verdant hills and winding rivers, lies the ancient town of Huanglong, known as the Phoenix Town for its mythical namesake. Huanglong is a place where time seems to stand still. Here, the Zhujiajiao River meanders gracefully through the town. Ancient wooden houses, their eaves adorned with intricate carvings. These traditional dwellings, some dating back centuries, are a testament to the town's rich history and architectural heritage. As dusk settles over Huanglong, casting a warm glow upon its ancient streets, the town takes on an ethereal beauty. Lanterns illuminate the riverside walkways, creating a magical ambiance that transports visitors back in time. Huanglong's history dates back over 1,300 years to the Tang dynasty. It was once an important center for trade and cultural exchange. Today, the town's ancient streets are a testament to its vibrant past. Cobblestone lanes wind through the town, leading to hidden courtyards and ancient temples. Local artisans practice their crafts, creating exquisite pieces of art. We can almost hear the whispers of the past, stories of those who once called this place home. Our journey now takes us to the Yunnan province, a land of towering mountains, deep gorges, and diverse ethnic minorities. Here, nestled amidst the foothills of the Himalayas, lies the enchanting Lijiang Old Town. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Lijiang is a captivating blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The town is renowned for its well-preserved Naxi architecture, a unique style characterized by its elaborate wooden structures and intricate carvings. Cobblestone streets crisscrossing the town in a labyrinthine network lead to hidden courtyards, ancient bridges, and bustling market squares. The air is alive with the sound of traditional Naxi music. Towering above it all is the majestic Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, its snow-capped peaks providing a breathtaking backdrop to this ancient town. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in Hunan is a breathtaking natural wonder. Known for its towering sandstone pillars, lush forests, and diverse wildlife, visitors can explore the park's numerous hiking trails, take a cable car ride for panoramic views, and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is not only famous for its stunning scenery, but also for its cultural significance. The park is home to several ethnic minority groups, each with their own rich traditions and customs. The Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. The park's unique geological formations make it a paradise for nature lovers. Our journey through China's hidden gems now brings us to the Guangxi province. Here, straddling the border between China and Vietnam, lies the magnificent Ban Detian Waterfall. Known for its stunning cascades and lush surroundings, This waterfall is a natural wonder. Its waters, flowing through ancient landscapes, tell tales of cultural exchanges and historical events that have shaped the region. Adventure and history are intertwined in Zhangjiajie Detian's story. It is here that many have come to marvel at its beauty, seeking both inspiration and tranquility. Exploring the Zhangjiajie waterfall is like stepping into a natural wonderland. The cascading waters create a mesmerizing spectacle, reflecting the area's rich ecological diversity. Nearby, traditional villages offer a glimpse into the local culture and way of life. Natural pools and unique rock formations add to the area's enchanting allure. The cultural significance of the Zhangjiajie Detian Waterfall is highlighted by nearby pagodas and temples. Local ceremonies often take place here, adding a spiritual dimension to the natural beauty. The sound of traditional music and the sight of cultural performances enrich the experience, making it a must-visit destination. Continuing our exploration of China's hidden treasures, we arrive at the Huanglong Scenic and Historic Interest Area, a natural wonder renowned for its stunning landscapes and vibrant colors. Huanglong offers a mesmerizing display of terraced pools, waterfalls, and lush forests. The area is famous for its unique travertine formations, created over millennia by mineral deposits from the flowing waters. Huanglong's five-color pond is a highlight with its vibrant hues ranging from turquoise to emerald, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The surrounding forests and mountains are home to diverse flora and fauna, adding to the area's ecological significance. This UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through Zhujiajiao Valley and marvel at its stunning natural beauty. Savor the vibrant colors of the forest, especially during autumn. Hear the soothing sounds of waterfalls cascading down the mountains. Admire the unique cultural significance of the Tibetan villages. Zhujiajiao, a town woven from waterways and history. Often referred to as the Venice of the East, it offers a glimpse into a China seemingly untouched by time. Here, ancient stone bridges arch gracefully over canals, their reflections shimmering in the water. The gentle lapping of water against wooden boats provides a constant soundtrack. Traditional houses, with their whitewashed walls and gray tiled roofs, line the canals, their beauty reflected in the water below. Boats glide silently through the canals, transporting goods and people, just as they have for centuries. The town's ancient charm, a captivating blend of history and natural beauty, leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. As the sun starts to set on Zhujiajiao, the sky turns beautiful shades of orange and purple, and that light shines on the water. Lanterns light up the bridges and houses, and their glow dances in the canals. Walking through Zhujiajiao feels like traveling back in time. The little streets seem to whisper stories of long ago, stories of emperors and traders and writers and painters. History is everywhere here. You can feel it in the stones, the bridges, even the soft breeze. In the heart of Anhui province lies Huangshan, a mountain range steeped in history and natural beauty. Its defining feature, a series of majestic peaks, rises above the clouds, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. The air is filled with the scent of pine, a reminder of the mountain's serene heart. Huangshan's history is etched into its very fabric. From the grandeur of its ancient temples to the tranquility of its scenic viewpoints, every corner reveals a new chapter in the mountain's long and storied past. Nestled in the heart of Suzhou, the classical gardens stand as a testament to the beauty and artistry of traditional Chinese landscape design. These gardens are celebrated for their intricate rock formations and serene water features. The garden's landscapes are adorned with meticulously arranged rocks, creating a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity. But the significance of Suzhou gardens extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. These gardens are a living museum of classical Chinese garden design, showcasing centuries of cultural and historical heritage. Constructed in the 18th century, the Summer Palace in Beijing is a masterpiece of Chinese landscape garden design. It served as a royal retreat, offering a serene escape from the bustling city life of Beijing. Is a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of ancient Chinese craftsmen. The Summer Palace's impact on Chinese culture has been profound. It has inspired countless poets, artists, and scholars throughout the centuries, earning it the reputation as one of China's most beautiful and culturally significant sites. High in the mountains of Shanxi province, a marvel of engineering clings to the cliff face. Constructed over 1,500 years ago, it comprises halls, pavilions, and corridors. Wooden beams, inserted into holes chiseled in the cliff, support the structure. These beams, weathered by centuries, support the entire weight. The result is a breathtaking sight of vibrant colors and intricate carvings. The Hanging Temple is an architectural marvel. This harmonious blend of beliefs is a testament to the inclusive nature of Chinese spirituality, a reflection of the country's rich and diverse cultural heritage. The Hanging Temple offers us a glimpse into the soul of China, a land where ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes intertwine. Flowing gracefully through a landscape of dramatic karst mountains and lush greenery, the Li River is a sight to behold. This river, winding through the heart of Guangxi province, is celebrated for its breathtaking scenery and tranquil beauty. For centuries, the Li River has inspired poets and painters. The river is also a cultural treasure, where traditional cormorant fishing is still practiced, offering a glimpse into the region's rich heritage. Popular activities along the Li River include bamboo rafting, hiking, and exploring the scenic trails that meander through this picturesque landscape. At dawn, a mystical mist rises from the water, creating an ethereal atmosphere that captivates all who visit. Flowing through the heart of Guangxi, the Li River is a tapestry of history and natural beauty. For centuries, It has been a lifeline for local communities, with fishermen and traders navigating its waters. The river is flanked by dramatic karst mountains. Today, travelers can embark on river cruises, capturing the breathtaking scenery and tranquil ambiance. The riverside markets offer a glimpse into local life, with vendors selling traditional crafts and delicacies. The Li River remains an enduring symbol of China's rich cultural and natural heritage. High on the Tibetan Plateau, atop the Red Mountain, sits the majestic Potala Palace, its golden roofs shimmering under the Himalayan sun. The winter residence of the Dalai Lamas, it symbolizes Tibetan Buddhism. Rising 13 stories, it contains over 1,000 rooms, a marvel of architecture. Built in the 7th century by King Songtsen Gampo, it unified Tibet. The palace served as a religious and political center for the Dalai Lamas. Within the serene surroundings of Westlake lie timeless treasures. Ancient pagodas, intricate gardens, and historic temples that echo the rich cultural heritage of Hangzhou. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming lotus flowers and the gentle sound of water lapping against the shore, creating an atmosphere of tranquility. The lake is a powerful symbol of Chinese culture, its image instantly recognizable around the world. Today, Westlake stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a place where nature and artistry converge, a beacon of peace for a people deeply connected to their land and their heritage. To stand by the shores of Westlake is to experience the true heart of Hangzhou. Our journey through unseen China takes us to the captivating landscape of Gansu Province. Carved into the cliffs of the Singing Sand Mountains, the Mogao Caves hold unparalleled artistic and religious significance. The Mogao Caves were a vital crossroads on the ancient Silk Road. For centuries, this network connected east and west, bringing merchants, pilgrims, and ideas. The art reflects Chinese, Indian, Persian, and Greek styles. Hidden within, thousands of manuscripts cover religion, philosophy, medicine, and astronomy. These documents offer insights into the cultural exchange along the Silk Road. They are a testament to the enduring legacy of this ancient trade route. As our journey through the hidden gems of unseen China draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and inspiration. We have witnessed the enduring legacy of China's rich history and cultural heritage. We hope that this journey has ignited within you a sense of wonder and a desire to explore the world's hidden treasures. Join us again soon as we embark on another unforgettable journey to discover the world's most breathtaking destinations.